I'm just been back from swimming, but it's not really swimming. I went to use the sauna and the steam room. But listen, story time. Once I had lessons, about 12 swimming lessons and about 10 away. And guess what? Me are the only one come out of the swimming lesson could not swim. Shame. Well, and everybody for swim though. Some people just for stay up on the shore and stay up on the side and look. And that's me. Swimming is not my thing. People say you come from Caribbean, it doesn't even matter. You come from Jamaica, I may like go to the beach, but me stay up on the sand. Water, I feel beard. Well,
some big pokey letter to that. I just can't believe he died on Father's Day. Died on stage performing last night. This is like the third time in the past 12 months that an artist has died on stage performing. I believe it was some big Brazilian artist. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but they showed the video of this big artist, and when I went to his page, he had millions of followers. I didn't know who he was, but he was huge. And then like a Spanish artist, the Spanish artist, I think he was in his 20s. The Brazilian artist, I think he was like early 40s, maybe 40, 41. Big Pokey was 45, just died on stage, like literally on stage, sang a rap lyric and then hitting the ground and died.
Hi guys, this is Janet. Welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog. I tried it with size 12, it was a bit too small, so I had to get it size 15. Then I got holiday sales, they were only £2 because everything I got was on sale. And I got this, Bargain. Going to the Hello, hello.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Perseverance. And you know what? We're good at it. Hi guys, well what? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jenny. Hope you have Today's Sunday, and I'm going to exercise today. I'm going to use the swimming pool, sauna, and the steam room. And guess what? This girl can't swim, but guess what? I'll try. I'm going to leave my bonnet on. I can't even find my swim hat, but you know what? My head's not going in water anyway. And I don't think I can carry my camera. And I'm crap with my phone, so I'll see you when I get back.
I knew it was going to make the analysis a lot easier for me because of the fluorescence and the fact that I would be able to spot to Lynn in the first place. She also has to go through the very awkward scenario of explaining to her friends who Lynn actually really is and what she's done.
When I got home, I physically couldn't have sat in the same room with him because at that point I felt very emotional about what had happened. I felt very disappointed. Felt like I'd been right in. So I just want to say, Lynn,
The distress of reacting to such a traumatic experience can take many forms. Some people cannot provide. So I'm sure at this point it would have felt like the net is closing in, and there would have been a huge sense of both panic and also fear. She no longer.
I come to this market in Catford, waiting on this Piccini Antoinette and she late. And guess what? I live so far away. I tell you, it is so hot today. So the girl in shorts and top. Look when her coming off the bus. I've been waiting. Antoinette, you don't know time? Yes, let me put you up on the video and tell us that you're late. Very, very late.
As usual. They do to go up, so advice and buy some. USB. Wi-Fi phone. The USB charger. To warm everything up.
No, that's not for them. But the shape different.
£50, if you have a look at all these boxes, they're all 50
So I just want to make the thing that come
Kill! Give me my...
No, este spray de esta parfum. Por nubre.
That's the only one. That's the only one. I need to see what I've got. I'll take this. It's all right.